Today get even with the thieving gurus that robbed your precious time and emptied your wallet. I'm guessing you hate the guru nonsense as much as me, right? This type of crap here. How to make money in your sleep even if you have no website, list, clue, hands, eyes, brain cells or balls. And it doesn't stop there. The rented Lamborghini, mansions, and private jets are vomit-inducing. The hype, fake scarcity, countdown timers and other slimy sales tactics cause you to tear your hair are. The talking for hours without saying anything other than "my six-figure launch" and "I'm crushing it bro" and "it's all about the hustle" makes your blood boil. The shoddy rehashed products filled with old information that no longer work are enough to make you scream. It's almost comical. Except, these shysters have gobbled up so much of your precious time and hard-earned money due to their bad advice and products that you ain't laughing. You're more confused and with less money in your wallet than when you started. It's no wonder you're stuck. And if you're angry, annoyed or frustrated, then you have every right to be. Here's the deal. I don't possess a Lambo, mansion, Rolex or private jet, rented or otherwise. I've never enjoyed a six-figure launch and I don't know what crushing it means. I create products based around evergreen strategies that stand the test of time, not gimmicky fad tactics. If you have no website, no list, no clue, no eyes, no brain cells, no hands, and no balls, then I definitely cannot make you a gajillion dollars in your sleep. However, I can share with you the strategies I personally implement to generate a sustainable online income. Though I'll only do that when you become a Niche Hacks Insider member. You can join on the link below.